The world of PC cases has witnessed an exciting evolution with the introduction of innovative new designs that cater to the diverse needs and preferences of modern computer enthusiasts. The latest generation of PC cases combines aesthetics with functionality, offering stunning visual appeal while ensuring optimal airflow and component compatibility. From sleek and minimalist designs to bold and futuristic aesthetics, these new PC cases showcase striking exterior designs and customizable RGB lighting options. Furthermore, they feature improved cable management systems, modular layouts, and enhanced cooling capabilities, ensuring efficient heat dissipation for high-performance systems. With an array of options available, the new PC cases provide a fresh and exciting canvas for PC builders and gamers to showcase their creativity and build powerful, visually stunning rigs. I included all the link in video description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Thermaltake Tower 100 Mini Chassis. The ultimate compact powerhouse for your PC build. With its unique vertical design and tempered glass panels, this mini chassis combines aesthetics with functionality. The Tower 100 supports mini ITX motherboards and accommodates high-end components, including full-sized graphics cards and liquid cooling solutions. Its versatile airflow design ensures optimal cooling performance, keeping your system running smoothly under heavy loads. With ample space for storage drives and easy-to-access I/O ports on the front panel, the Tower 100 offers convenience and flexibility. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast or a content creator, this mini chassis provides a compact and stylish solution for your PC needs. Upgrade your build with the Thermaltake Tower 100 Mini Chassis and make a bold statement with your rig. Number 9. NZXT H200i. The perfect blend of style and performance in a compact package. This mini ITX case is designed to deliver a seamless building experience while offering exceptional cooling and versatility. With its sleek tempered glass side panel and clean, minimalist aesthetic, the H200i adds a touch of elegance to any setup. The case features an integrated smart device, allowing for easy control of lighting and fan speeds. The optimized airflow design ensures efficient cooling for your components. Despite its small size, the H200i provides ample space for high-end graphics cards and multiple storage drives. With convenient cable management options and easy-to-use features, the NZXT H200i makes building a breeze. Elevate your PC build with the NZXT H200i and experience a perfect blend of form and function. Number 8. Corsair Carbide 275R. The perfect balance of style and performance. This mid-tower case is designed to impress with its sleek and minimalist design. The tempered glass side panel showcases your build while providing easy access for maintenance. The spacious interior accommodates high-end components, including large graphics cards and multiple storage drives. With excellent cable management options, your build stays clean and organized. The optimized airflow design keeps your system cool and quiet, even during intense gaming sessions. The Corsair Carbide 275R also features front panel USB 3.0 and audio ports for convenient connectivity. Whether you're a gamer or a PC enthusiast, the Corsair Carbide 275R delivers the perfect combination of aesthetics and functionality to enhance your computing experience. Upgrade your build with the Corsair Carbide 275R and showcase your style with confidence. Number 7. Thermaltake AT600 Full Tower Case. The epitome of bold design and exceptional performance. This eye-catching case takes inspiration from a helicopter cockpit, boasting a unique and futuristic aesthetic that sets it apart from the rest. The tempered glass panels on the front, top, and sides provide a stunning view of your build. With extensive support for liquid cooling, the AT600 keeps your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. The spacious interior accommodates high-end hardware, including large graphics cards and multiple storage drives. Its modular design offers easy customization and efficient cable management. Number 6. Corsair EQ4000X. The pinnacle of style and functionality in PC cases. This mid-tower chassis combines sleek aesthetics with exceptional performance. With its tempered glass front and side panels, the 4000X showcases your build while providing a stunning visual experience. The spacious interior offers ample room for high-end components and efficient cable management. The optimized airflow design, combined with 3 included Corsair Air Guide fans, ensures excellent cooling performance. The 4000X also features an AQ lighting node core for customizable RGB lighting effects. Number 5. Be Quiet. Dark Base 700 BGW23 MIDI Tower ATX. A game changer for PC enthusiasts. This sleek and modern case offers incredible flexibility and customization options. With its modular design, you can easily adjust the interior layout to fit your needs. Supporting ATX motherboards, you can build a powerful gaming rig with ease. But what sets it apart is its focus on silence. Be Quiet has integrated noise insulation materials and a 3-step fan controller, ensuring a whisper-quiet operation. No more distractions from loud fans. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, the Be Quiet Dark Base 700 BGW23 MIDI Tower ATX is a dream come true. Upgrade your PC and experience the perfect blend of performance and silence. Visit their website or your nearest tech store to get your hands on this incredible case today. Number 4. Thermaltake DistroCase 350p. A revolutionary case that combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional functionality. This unique mid-tower chassis features an integrated distribution plate, allowing for easy and efficient liquid cooling customization. With its transparent front and side panels, you can showcase your high-performance components in all their glory. The DistroCase 350p also offers ample space for storage and expansion, supporting up to a 360mm radiator and multiple graphics cards. Its modular design ensures hassle-free installation and cable management. Plus, with its RGB lighting system, you can create mesmerizing lighting effects to enhance your gaming experience. Upgrade your PC with the Thermaltake DistroCase 350p and make a bold statement. Visit their website or your nearest tech store to unleash the full potential of your build. Number 3. Corsair Crystal Series 680X RGB. A stunningly beautiful case that combines style with exceptional performance. This mid-tower chassis features a dual-chamber design, allowing for efficient airflow and superior cooling capabilities. With its tempered glass panels on the front, side, and top, you can showcase your high-end components and vibrant RGB lighting. The 680X RGB offers ample space for storage and expansion, supporting up to a 360mm radiator and multiple graphics cards. Its smart cable management system ensures a clean and clutter-free build. Plus, with Corsair's AQE software, you can customize and synchronize the RGB lighting effects across all compatible devices. Elevate your PC build with the Corsair Crystal Series 680X RGB and experience the perfect blend of style and performance. Visit their website or your nearest tech store to unleash your creativity. Number 2. Cooler Master H500p, the epitome of gaming excellence. Engineered to redefine performance, this chassis boasts a sleek and sturdy design that will captivate any PC enthusiast. Its dual 200mm RGB fans deliver unparalleled cooling efficiency, ensuring your components stay frosty even during intense gaming sessions. The H500p offers extensive customization options, allowing you to showcase your unique style. With a spacious interior and optimized cable management, building your dream rig has never been easier. Its tempered glass side panel grants a breathtaking view of your hardware masterpiece. Equipped with advanced features like ample storage options and extensive connectivity ports, the Cooler Master H500p is a true powerhouse. Unleash your gaming potential and dominate the virtual realm with the Cooler Master H500p. Number 1. Fractal Design Meshify C, the pinnacle of sleek and high-performance PC cases. This compact chassis is designed with airflow in mind, featuring a distinctive mesh front panel that maximizes cooling potential. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to optimal performance. The Meshify C combines functionality with style, offering a clean and modern aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any setup. Its tempered glass side panel showcases your hardware like a work of art. With its smart and efficient interior layout, cable management becomes a breeze. The Meshify CE accommodates high-end components, ensuring you can build a powerful rig that meets all your gaming needs. Experience superior airflow and a premium build quality with the Fractal Design Meshify CE. Elevate your gaming experience to new heights.